Good afternoon. It's March 3rd, 2025, and today we had a down day. Here's how it looks on the 17,000 tick chart. This is the start probably yesterday, somewhere in here. So we had this leg down, we went sideways a little bit and then sold off. Here's how it looks on the daily chart. Wow. And this is what I was expecting. Uh I don't know if it's gonna go beyond this range, but I'm kind of expecting it to bounce. But it could go straight through. So let's take a look. I believe I was mostly looking. I don't really feel like analyzing all this. This is so much. Um, but we could do it. Let's take a look. This looks like the range here. So um, we got this move down. We had this bull channel in the overnight, and you have a break, and you have this bear channel. So I don't think you want to go long. And then you have a like a 50% move up, correction, double bottom, boom, and they just trap all the bulls. I'm not really crazy about that one anyway, so I'm not sure I would go for it. It's an inside bar. It looks like I could see people getting trapped here though. But I think I had a range drawn. So I don't know. But also, was this, I think this was yesterday. Yeah, we had this buy climax yesterday, gapped up buy climax, and then we took all of that back. And so it was range like price action to begin with. But then, anyway, towards the market open, we had this sell off. Hard to know if you can go short here, but it's very low risk, high reward. So here you're risking about 3.5 points, and the reward, if you're going for a new low, that's about a 10-point move. That's pretty darn good. I think it might be more than that. Anyways, we come down here, ride this channel down, and you get this overshoot. And maybe if you're being aggressive, you take this, um, get a higher low, but it's a big bear bar. And this, it's reasonable to think that the sellers would be exhausted here, so I think it's reasonable to look for longs. And for that reason, I really like this one. This looks like a reversal. It's a higher low. Boom. You can get a nice move out of that. Find resistance up here. You can see you get like a bear move and what looks like an overshoot. Move to a new high. Sells off. Lots of overlap in here. And nothing I'm interested in down here. This bull bar looks like it's part of like a tight bear channel. We bounce, and up here, I mean, this is a double top, so you might want to take that. That started the move down, I believe. Yeah, I think I was looking at the 6,500 tick chart, and look how good of a setup you get here. That's what I wanted to point out. So we have this bull channel, and we didn't quite hit the measured move down. And so when we made this higher low, I was like, okay, we probably are trying to touch this high. But then it failed. It found resistance on this bull channel. Boom. Still doesn't hit the measured move. So it's okay if you're playing the range. But then when it comes back here and you get a nice reversal looking thing here, and then you make this double top, notice that this this bear bar, this bear bar, they're both bigger than any of these bull bars. And this is a lower high than this, and then these are lower highs than this. And look at how big this bear bar is. So I like that. Um, I didn't pull the trigger just because I wanted to protect my profits. I don't know if I would have stayed in after this doji, but I mean, if you stayed in, look at that. Boom. Huge move. So anyway, back to this. Could you take this? I don't know. There's a lot of overlap. I'm not convinced. And then you're in this range. And I mean, uh, if you want to be aggressive, you could take this second entry short, top of the range, and you could have rode that thing all the way down. You know, move your stop. When it breaks to a new low, you move your stop. Boom, boom, put your stop here. Boom, put your stop here. Boom, put your stop here. And it looks like that's probably where you'd want to exit. So, um, again, that's the day today. Crazy selling. We'll see how it goes the rest of the week. So I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.